Welcome back, everybody. Well, we got some harnesses here. We're going to put in 4-seater tonight. Red harnesses. Macy's Racing. I don't have anything to do with them, but the ones we got them in the 2-seater. We like them. So, what we got to do is, these are actually pretty easy. All you got to do is take out the bolt up here on the top, for the top of the belt here, and then there's one down here in the bottom. Take that one out, and take the seat out. That. And we'll take this one out. And then all I have to do is take out some push pins, lift up this cover enough to get this wire out, to put the bypass in for the seat belt. So I won't bore you with all the taking the bolts out and everything. The other one I actually had a 2-seater, I had to take the seats out to put them in. This one, don't have to. So I will get these bolts out and see if I can find that wire, and I'll come back and show you how it's all going. Alright, so I got all the bolts out. Forgot about this one to show you up here. Holds the, I don't know what you call it, the reel, I guess you would say, for the belt. I will pull some push pins out here quick and find where the wire's at. And this little guy here goes in there, just a little bypass. We'll see what I can find. Pulling the push pins out of the center console here right now. So we can get at that wire. plug I'm trying to get at for the little bypass plug is right there. You can see that little white plug. We're just going to get that unplugged. Obviously, get this piece of the center console out. I believe you must have to take the seats out. I can't get it.
Can you get it?
No. I gotta, in order to get that piece out, you gotta take one of the seats out. So I'm gonna try to do it without taking the seat off. I get my fingers in there enough to get that wire unplugged. So then all I gotta do is plug the other one in. So, ooh, back in a second. So I got it up. Apparently I'd have the lever up, and then I was able to just slide straight up. And it just pops out of there. And that little guy just pops right in there. So now, before we put it all back together, we'll make sure it starts. Now I'll get this cover put back in, because we don't need it out for that side. It's just one bypass plug on the driver's seat. So they come with this bracket on, so you can bolt them if you want, or you can just go and put them on your bar behind your seat. I'm doing this first, then I don't have to worry about them falling, and I'm bolting the other stuff, the other bolts in. Then you take this one out. Here, and we'll have to get these adjusted once it's all together, and we'll get these set right, but it's holding them there for me now, so I can put these bolts in. Make sure you don't have them twisted also. I think I did that last time. That's that one started. we have harnesses. Or one anyhow so far. I won't bore you with the other one. Gives you the idea. Other side's the same thing, except you don't have the bypass plug. The thing I like about these is they have the seatbelt style latch on the lap belt. I don't know. I really like them in the two-seater. A lot better than the shoulder harness. A lot safer. I don't know. You like them, hon?
Yeah.
Just give you a little more peace of mind, I guess.
Yeah.
In case you do tip over or something. Not that we get crazy, but you never know. Something else could happen. But we're going to end this one here. We'll do the other one and we'll be good to go. So, I want to thanks for watching, everybody, and hope this helps you out. It's a pretty easy job. We will catch you on the next video. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, if you could, that'd be great. Hit that little notification bell. Give it a like, and we'll catch you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching.